Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Mazda MX-5 Sky Active. This vehicle is a 2066 model. Only 568 miles from new, with one previous owner only using it for the weekends. As you can see, this car is in great condition, and I will now give you a walk around. We have xenon headlamps with the front bumper lower spats to give it a sporty look. 16-inch alloy wheels, all in great condition with great tyres. Body coloured door mirrors with a convertible soft top roof. I will now give you an insight to the specification on the interior. Electric windows and electric door mirrors with the lovely red accent on the inside to follow on from the outside. Cruise control, media functions, satellite navigation with audio controls in the centre and on the steering wheel. We also have aircon with reheated screen. CD player just behind you with little storage pocket, and as you can see, a blind for the sun. And these lovely black and red stitched leather bucket seats really set the car off very well. As you can see, this is a beautiful little car. If you would like any more information, please feel free to give us a call on 0113 271 2288, or alternatively you can email us. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Please remember the vehicle will come with a full complimentary valet, and also, if needs be, will come with a full service and MOT at time of sale. Thank you for watching. I hope to hear from you soon.